Hey everyone, want to customize your Snapchat group chats? I'll show you how to change settings, manage members, and more. Let's get started. First, open up Snapchat and make sure you're logged in. Then go to the group chat you want to manage. Tap the group chat profile icon at the top of the chat screen. Here you'll see various options to manage your group chat. To change the group name, tap Group Name. Type in the new name and tap Save. Scroll down to see the list of group members. To manage a specific member, tap their name. You'll see options like Remove from Group. Tap and confirm it if you want to remove them. Remember, only group admins can remove group members. Look for the notification settings. You can choose to mute the group or customize notifications. Tap on the settings to adjust them to your preference. If you want to leave the group, scroll down and tap Leave Group. Confirm your decision. Leaving a group is permanent, so be sure you want to do it. You can save chat content by tapping and holding on a message, then tapping Save in Chat. And that's it. That's how you can change your group chat settings on Snapchat. It's all about taking control and customizing your experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.